Ever notice that despite earning more than previous generations, it still feels harder to get ahead? It feels like money arrives, stays briefly, then quietly disappears forever. That isn't irresponsibility. It is because modern comfort has a hidden price tag missing from receipts. Imagine a young professional, good education, stable job, taking home roughly $4,500 every month. Rent takes $1,600. Utilities and groceries grab another $750. It looks reasonable so far. Then comes the car. Reliable, not luxury. But payment, insurance, and fuel cost $600 monthly. Add student loans, credit cards, and streaming subscriptions. We have now burned through $3,600. That leaves just $900. From the outside, you look comfortable. Inside, that money is stretched. Savings get postponed, not because you are reckless, but because the system claimed your money first. This is the hidden mistake. We are front-loading our income into fixed, permanent monthly commitments. The problem isn't coffee. It is that your entire life is financed, subscribed, or locked in. Saving $300 a month is $36,000 over a decade. That is decent, but slow. Compare that to comfort. A finance car easily costs $50,000 total over 7 years. Psychologically, our brains prefer predictability over freedom. Monthly payments feel safe because they feel controlled today. But every fixed payment reduces optionality. You don't feel poorer, but you definitely feel less flexible. When income is pre-allocated, any shock feels catastrophic. A job change or break feels absolutely impossible. If this continues for decades, the impact isn't poverty. It is quiet dependency and shrinking choices. Financially intelligent people think differently. They delay locking their income. They treat monthly obligations as permanent. They prefer fewer fixed costs, even with less visual status. They value future freedom over smoothness. They don't ask if they can afford the payment. They ask what options this removes later. You didn't fail. The system normalizes comfort. But awareness is where smarter financial behavior actually begins. Money isn't disappearing, it is pre-promised. If this perspective helped, click subscribe for more clarity.